To keep our bedroom organized every single day, we do these 10 things. Are you ready for it? Stay to the end because I have an extra bonus thing that we do every single day that completely keeps our bedroom organized. Hey there, my name's Jessica and I'm the Organized Mama. I teach families how to organize with practical tips, tricks, and tutorials everyone in the family can follow. So what are these 10 wonderful things that I do to keep our bedroom organized? Well, the very first one is the most obvious, and that is make your bed. I know. How does making your bed make your bedroom organized? Well, there's actually research saying that when you make your bed every day, you are creating a habit that says, I have completed a task, which then spirals and makes more habits about completing tasks. It is so interesting when you don't make your bed to how your day kind of pans out, to making your bed and how your day pans out. So try making your bed every single day. The second thing we do is put our clothes away. Now, this looks different for both me and my husband. So listen to how we do this and find a way that works for you. I fold my clothes and put them back in the drawer if they are clean, or I put them in the laundry basket or hamper if they are dirty. I do that every day. Clothes don't sit out on chairs. They don't lay on the floor. They're put away every day. Now, my husband doesn't totally agree with this because he's like, well, they're not clean, so they shouldn't go back in the drawer, but they're not dirty, so they shouldn't go in the hamper. So what do I do with them? Well, we have a basket for his in-between clothes near his side of the bed. This basket is where his in-between clothes go when he is in between wearing them. Sometimes when he comes home from work, he'll put on sweatpants, but then they aren't totally clean because he wore them for dinner, but then they aren't totally dirty, so he doesn't need to put them in the laundry basket. That's where they go until he decides that they're dirty. They're contained in a place. They are not all over the bedroom, and they have a specific spot to go. So that's how he puts his things away. The third thing we do is not keep anything on the floor other than the bed because it has to touch the floor. But we don't let things pile up on the floor. This way it keeps our bedroom organized and we don't have to worry about, tripping over things or piles of things on the floor. We keep the floor totally clear other than, the basket that sits on there or the legs of the bed. Another thing we do to keep our bedroom organized is not store anything under the bed. Well, we do keep one thing, it's two things under the bed, and those are the leaves of our table. Nothing else is stored under our bed for the reason of keeping our room as clutter-free as possible. So if you can, try to not store anything under the bed. If you have to store things under the bed, like the leaves of your table or maybe off-season clothing, keep it contained in one type of container so that there aren't many different things stored under your bed. We keep our countertops really tidy. And to do this, we only have out a couple of things. I store all of our perfumes and colognes on a tray, and that was my grandmother's, so it is actually a sentimental tray that I get to see every single day. That's stored on our counter, along with my jewelry box and my friend's Lego set. But other than that, everything else on the counter is clear. We do this so that when we fall asleep, everything is tidy and clean and organized so that our environment is encouraging of sleep, because that's the biggest thing with your bedroom. The more your environment is calm, relaxed, and clutter-free, the better sleep you're going to be, which is why our countertops remain clutter-free. This also goes with my next tip on your nightstands. Your nightstands should also be clutter-free. Now, for me, clutter-free means things that I don't use aren't on my nightstand. Clutter is just things you don't use or see a purpose with. So to keep them clutter-free, only keep out the things that you actually use. I have a book on my nightstand. I have my lamp. I have some pills and stuff I take before bed. Those things, I use them all, so none of them are clutter. They are all things I use, and I keep those in a tray. On my husband's side, we actually have an amazing tray charger contraption that works well to help him keep his nightstand tidy. Another thing we do to keep our bedroom organized is we put everything back where it belongs. So if things make their way into our bedroom, then we make sure that they leave our bedroom before we go to sleep. Let's say our kids are playing in our bedroom and leave some toys. Well, that needs to be cleared out of our bedroom before bedtime. This way, our bedroom is clutter-free and we put things back where they belong daily, which goes into my 9th tip, which is all about your closet and hanging up or creating a system for your clothes so that things aren't piled or just lying all over the place. This is going to help you keep your bedroom organized because you don't have things in piles. The more piles you see, the less organized your closet or your bedroom will be. So for us, everything gets hung or it gets put in the basket for the in-between clothes. We also have a bag in our closet for anything that goes to the dry cleaner. This way it's not piled up on the floor. We have a dry cleaner bag that we fill with clothes. Once it's full, take it to the dry cleaner and then come back and hang it back up on a hook in our closet. Now, most nightstands have drawers, and just sticking things in those drawers is actually creating a junk drawer in your bedroom. And who wants to sleep next to a junk drawer? Not me. So give each drawer in your nightstand a purpose. This way, everything will have a spot to go when you are tidying up or organizing your bedroom. Also, you know that each drawer has a specific item or items that go in there so that you can keep it nice and tidy and give everything a proper purpose. Okay, my bonus tip. Are you ready? My bonus tip to keeping any bedroom organized is to create a habit before bed. You organize, tidy up, straighten, remove everything that doesn't belong. When you create this habit by starting by removing one thing that doesn't belong, put it out of your room, even if it's just outside of the door and you close your door. By starting with one thing, removing one thing that doesn't fit in your room, doesn't belong in your room, shouldn't be there, you're going to start this habit of keeping your bedroom organized daily. So start by taking one thing tonight, one thing in your bedroom that doesn't belong, and remove it. And remove it from your bedroom. Take it out of that space. Even if it's just outside your door, then you close your door. You removed one thing from your bedroom that didn't belong. When you start to do that more and more, it's going to become such a habit that you won't be able to go to bed until you remove everything in your bedroom that doesn't belong. And this is how you're going to keep an organized bedroom. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.